Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So I decided to make shawarma today. For dinner I have tortilla wraps, cabbage, fresh tomatoes, fresh carrots, some boneless chicken, you can also call it chicken breast, sausages, then some spices. You can use any spices of your choice. What I like the oriental five spices. I'm using curry powder, white pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. Then for the dip sauce, I'm just using two key ingredients, mayonnaise and ketchup. Then I'll be adding some sugar and pepper to these two key ingredients to achieve the kind of flavor that I want. Let me just show you guys in a jiffy what I did here. I have grated the carrots and the cabbage, then I've cut the chicken into stripes. I'm going to be marinating the chicken for like 1 hour in the freezer. I'm adding grated garlic, pepper, some spices, curry powder. You can play around any of the spices that you have available, but these are the spices that I like in my chicken. I like my chicken to be really tasty but not too spicy. I do not want the shawarma to be tasteless, so I'll just add all the spices that I have available. To be very factual, the secret to a very tasty shawarma is in the proteins. Either you're using chicken or you're using beef or any other proteins that you're using. The secret to achieving that very tasty shawarma that would have your guests asking for more is in the chicken. So you really need to spice your chicken. So for the dip sauce, I'll be using two key ingredients, the mayonnaise and ketchup. I have added to my own satisfaction the amount or quantity that I want. By the way, I'm making 10 wraps of shawarma, hence this quantity. So it depends on your number of shawarma wraps. You'd use an equal amount of sauce, if you understand what I mean. I like using sugar for the sauce because it doesn't give me heartburn. I've tried over time to take the sauce without adding sugar and it was really terrible. So I always add sugar to the sauce. Mix thoroughly to achieve this beautiful color, then set. As soon as you're done wrapping, turn on the heat, place your pan and place the wraps in the saucepan as much as the pan can contain. In my pan I had only space for 2. I made 10 wraps of shawarma, so I was placing it side by side, ensuring that it doesn't get burnt. It is hilarious that I bought my very first perfect shawarma in 2022, because I bought shawarma way back and it was really nasty. I had a very terrible experience with shawarma, so I stopped taking it until 2022 when I went to Benin during the Christmas hauls and I bought shawarma. It was really tasty. Like, I was like, what have I been missing? I have really been missing a whole lot, and people always say when you eat shawarma you add so much weight, like it is very fattening. What's fattening with shawarma? Tortilla wraps is basically tasteless. The proteins and every other vegetables that you used, it's not out of this world. It's something we all eat on a daily. So shawarma is very healthy. Just ensure you're getting the ingredients from a clean grocery store or a clean market. That's all. If you are not making it by yourself, just try and get it from a clean restaurant. So now that it has been heated up, you can tell from the look that it's quite different. So this is how pretty inside looks. For dinner, I'll be having just one wrap. Look at how pretty inside looks. You can see the chicken, the coleslaw, the sausage and the cream. Yeah, this is how I like making my shawarma. It's very pretty. So from the remaining coleslaw that I had left, I served some very little portions, added grapefruits. Since it's dinner, I didn't want to eat it alone. Just added some fruits to ensure it digests faster before bedtime. I had fresh beetroot juice in the freezer that I made earlier. So I poured myself a glass and enjoyed. I sincerely hope you've enjoyed this video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.